And the race is on. Snake Me Spaghetti fast to be in, rushing up his boss Doring. Moving up by the rail is Coquette, and in between runners Siklag alongside his Careless Whisper. Racing second last, Nice and Easy, and the favorite 5-8 Typhoon. Doding running at the tail of the field. Snake Me Spaghetti via Lankenha, followed by Coquette, Siklag on the outside. It's now Coquette, Snake Me Spaghetti, Siklag, Boss Doring, Nice and Easy, Careless Whisper, Typhoon. Doring running down on the inside as they race the last 500. Coquette, number 3, by about 3 lengths. Boss Doring, Siklag, Snake Me Spaghetti, Nice and Easy, and Typhoon Loading moving up by the rail as they race the last 200. Coquette by about 3 lengths, followed now by Boss Doring. Typhoon Doring is running by the rail in between runners Nice and Easy, and nearing the finish line. Entry number 3, and this one is Coquette, and finally Coquette. Careless Whisper is Snake Me Spaghetti, and